I'm sure that most of the people would like to use the dictionary without need to open the dictionary. When we are reading news or knowledge, written in English or other languages, in the internet, of course, we have the solution for that. Without going to open dictionary, just click on the word you want. The dictionary would come and show the meaning. Let's start. Step 1. Go to Setting. Step 2. Go to General. Step 3. Go to Dictionary. Step 4. Choose the dictionary you like. 1, 2, or more as you like. It will start downloading. After download has finished, go to Safari, your browser. Open the website you want. Long press on the word you want. You will see like this. Choose Lookup. Finished. That's all. Dictionary will come up with the solution. You can see the examples. I hope you will enjoy. If this tutorial could help you, please subscribe our channel to see another precious tutorials. Thank you.